Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, from the Galaxy S24 to Galaxy S24 Ultra, the line has possible official images, one by one leaked full technical details and launch dates of the smartphones. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Galaxy S24 line should be made official by Samsung in January, but several details about these cell phones that make it up have already been leaked. Today, the Windows Report portal published images that it says are official from Samsung and revealed the technical data sheets of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra models. Let's start with the technical details of the Galaxy S24 basic model, which can be sold with an Exynos 2400 chipset in some markets, such as the South Korea and Europe, but should be launched with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in North America. It has 6.2 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform, RAM 8GB, storage options 128, 256 or 512GB, front camera 12 megapixels. Let's talk about main camera. It has 50 megapixel wide primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 10 megapixel 3x zoom telephoto sensor, 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, connections 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Wi-Fi 6E and USB-C. Now let's talk about the specifications of the medium Galaxy S24 Plus model. It has a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 platform, 12GB of RAM, 256 or 512GB of storage, 12 megapixel front camera. Let's talk about main camera. 50 megapixel wide primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 10 megapixel 3x zoom telephoto sensor, 4900 mAh battery with fast battery charging speed. Let's talk about connections: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Wi-Fi 6E and USB-C. Now let's talk about the Galaxy S24 Ultra specification should be as follows. It has 6.8 inches QHD Plus AMOLED LTPO screen with up to 120Hz refresh rate, platform Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12GB of RAM, 256, 512GB or 1TB of storage, front camera 12 megapixel with dual pixel AF. Let's talk about main camera. Megapixel wide primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 10 megapixel 3x zoom telephoto sensor, 50 megapixel 5x zoom telephoto sensor. The smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery with fast battery charging and wireless power share. The connections are 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, GPS, UWB and USB-C. According to the available data, the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch on January 17th of next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.